Psych friends! Okay, so this is going to be an easy assignment. So please, once you get finished with this quick assignment, take some time, and if you have not finished LT1 assessment, LT2 assessment, assignments for LT3, meaning the sleeping assignment, the memory assignment, take some time and do that, okay? I have sent everyone PT options. Please take advantage of those if you'd like to go that route. I'm just going to walk you through this quick assignment, okay? And I will see everybody Monday. All right, so we're going to go to home page. Click home, takes you to home page. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to click Learning Target 3. Okay, the middle tab is the one you're going for, Success Criteria 3. That's why I did the double 3. And once you see Homer, you know you've reached the right place. Okay. All right, so thinking and problem solving, click it. And oh my gosh, you see the assignment. Okay, so a lot of you guys liked the last time I turned the assignment into a quiz so that you could type into the box, not have to make a document. So I did that again to help the ease of this assignment. Okay, all right, so thinking and problem solving is our next avenue. Dive right in. Question 1 is about cognition. Question 2 is about problem solving. Question 3 is about cognitive biases. And then the fourth chunk is overconfidence. All right. Once you're finished, you just type right in the boxes. Okay. Once you're finished, hit submit. And then after that, your priority is Learning Target 1 assessment, Learning Target 2 assessment, and all of Learning Target 3 assignments, sleeping and memory. Okay. Again, please refer to the PT options. The assessment, you need to do the assessment. You have to, okay? All right. If you are transferring to 100% in person on Monday, please Teams message me that I'm moving to 100% in person so that I can make sure your grade is updated and I can help you walk through the steps preparing for in person on Monday, okay? It is important that you Teams message me. I am transferring to 100% in person if you're transferring, okay? All right, everyone else, don't let this trip you up. Don't let this overwhelm you. This is a really short assignment just about how our, the processes of thinking and problem solving connects with our cognitive unit. We're almost done. Hang in there.